Hi everyone and welcome to our Friday Assembly. It's great to be with you in your classrooms this morning. I hope you're all well and we can see everyone wearing their red today. I mean, our school uniform is red anyway, but it's nice to see you in your own clothes wearing red today, supporting Say No to Racism. So show racism the red card. So that's why we're all wearing red today. So it's great to see you all supporting that cause. Well done. Also, it's been a really busy week in school, some great things going on. I've been around all the classes, been to see what you've been learning and what you've been doing, and it's been great to see you so engaged in all your activities, and it's so great to see all the progress you're already making. So big well done to everyone. I wanted to give a special shout out. We did, a couple of weeks ago, we've been raising money for a readathon, and we all sent you home with your forms to get signed, to get sponsored. But I would like to say a big well done to a certain pupil that we've got who managed to raise on their own £130. So I want to give a big shout out to Caden Coates in 1HM. You raised the most money in the whole school. So a big well done to you. Very closely followed by Mia Ball and also Kian in year 5. So a big well done to all those pupils and everyone who took part in the readathon. And let me tell you how much money we raised together as a whole school. We managed to raise, drum roll please, £1,146.55. That is the best we've ever done for our readathon. So well done to everyone that supported that. Right, it is our celebration assembly, so we do want to hear about all the fantastic things that have happened to individuals this week. So, over to our teachers to find out who our stars of the week are, find out who our team point winners are.
Hello, I've spent a lovely week in nursery this week as so many children have impressed me with how they've settled into school life. But the person that stood out to me the most is Dean. You have been amazing. You come in the morning, you sit down in your carpet space, you've been singing our songs in the mornings and you've been learning lots and playing lots with your new friends. You are remarkable. Keep it up, Dean.
Hello everybody, my child of the week this week is Iffy. Iffy, you have been so resilient and your high aspirations this week have blown me away. Not only did you reach our purple task in English this week, but in maths as well. You're an absolute superstar. Keep up the incredible, remarkable work, Iffy.
Hello, my child of the week this week is Shiloh. Shiloh is a new member to our class and you would not think it. Shiloh is absolutely amazing. She is big-hearted, offers her time at lunchtime to do jobs for me. Not only that, her work is incredible. She pushes her limits. She wants to get all the way through the mastery model and it is a pleasure to have her in this class. Keep it up. Bye all.
This week, Mrs Terry and I have decided to pick Denisa as our remarkable child of the week. Denisa, you have been incredible in class this week. You are so enthusiastic and as a result you are making amazing progress, especially in phonics. I am super impressed. Well done.
I'm so proud of the way you are working in your maths. You're searching so hard to find the patterns that we're looking for and you're becoming more and more confident. You are also incredibly big-hearted and you take care of everybody in the class by keeping it very clean and tidy. So well done, Denisa, keep it up.
My child of the week goes to Nevada and I've chosen Nevada this week for always going above and beyond in everything that you do. Your homework is always remarkable and I'm just so pleased, Nevada, keep it up.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Rakaya. I've chosen Rakaya because she reads every single day with a comment in a diary. She's got beautiful handwriting, she works hard in every single lesson, and she's just an amazing pupil to have in the class. So well done, Rakaya, keep up the good work.
The Learning Mentors Star of the Week this week is Kyla Morgan in 4TH. We've given Kyla the award this week because she's had a very difficult couple of weeks, but she's been in every day. She's shown she can be big-hearted, she's shown she can be remarkable, and she just got on with it. Well done, Kyla.
3MC's Child of the Week this week is Lily Rose. I've chosen you this week, Lily, because you have been an absolute superstar who has shown all of the school values. I'm really proud of you for pushing your limits this week, as I know in maths we've been learning a tricky method, how to use column method for addition and subtraction, but you've really pushed your limits and shown that you can be resilient. So well done, Lily, keep up the amazing work.
My Star of the Week is Elijah. Elijah, you've worked so hard to speak. You've been trying your best and pushing your limits. You have worked so hard during our maths lessons and you have managed to reach the solving task. Well done, Elijah.
My Child of the Week this week is Samuel. Samuel, I have been so proud of the progress that you have made since starting in Year 2. You have tried so hard with your reading that you can now segment and blend words independently, and you're also reading some tricky words on sight. I'm really proud of you. Keep up the super reading.
My Child of the Week this week is Henry. He's a very kind and helpful young boy, and he's always engaging in activities. He's a very positive role model to the rest of the class. Well done, Henry. Keep it up.
This week, I have chosen Yamin as my Star of the Week. Yamin, I've been so impressed with the number work that you've been doing inside independently, but also you wowed Mrs. Gonzalez and I this week with your fascination on the dinosaur talk table. Well done, keep it up.
I've chosen Jessie as my Star of the Week as she always tries her very, very best. Her writing has come on low since she started school and she's now writing the letters in her name and the phonemes that we've taught so far, so well done, Jessie.
Good morning, everyone. I've chosen Hasnain this week as my Child of the Week, and it's because he participates so well to the learning in class. He's got his hand up all of the time, including when we've got visitors in. He brings his reading book in every day. He's just really respectful and is a pleasure to have in class. So keep up the great work, Hasnain. Well done.
Safa, Mrs. Tilly and I have chosen you to be a Star of the Week because you've not long joined our school and you've already shown us how big-hearted and unusually brave you are. You are a pleasure to have in the class, and your translation when reading English books into Norwegian blows me away. Well done, Star of the Week. Keep pushing those limits. See you soon. Bye.
Good morning. My Child of the Week this week is Zidane. Zidane, what can I say? I absolutely love the smile you have on your face every day you walk into the classroom, and it does brighten my day. But I've given you this award because of the remarkable progress you've made in maths. You're working at home with your mum, and I can really see how hard you're working and the difference it's made to your maths ability. And I know this week you've earned a handwriting pen as well, which I'm really pleased for you for. And I just want to say a really big well done. I'm really proud of you and keep up the good work. Bye.
Hi everyone, 1KR Star of the Week this week is Hareem, and we've chosen Hareem because she pushes her limits every day in every area of her learning. She works independently and she's always there trying to have a go at all of the different tasks. She's also taking lots of learning home, and I'm seeing lots of fantastic pictures that are being sent to me of all of her learning that she's doing. So well done, Hareem, keep it up.
Good morning. 6CF's Child of the Week this week is Summer. Summer is the child that you can pick every week. She's absolutely amazing. She's brilliant in everything that she does in her books. She's so respectful and wonderful in class, an absolute role model. But I've picked her particularly this week because she has really taken on her learning and applied it. So she has been litter picking in her local environment because of our environmentalist unit on plastic pollution. And has not only just taken herself and done this, but has enrolled some families on her street as well to help her with this effort, which I think is just incredible. So thank you for being so remarkable and amazing. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Nidal. I've chosen Nidal because he's trying really hard with his presentation. He's also been sending in some lovely examples of work he's been doing at home for his character passport. Well done, Nidal.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile would be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right